I sneaked into our factory and I asked the guys to prepare something on the high-speed circular saw, the plate saw in this case, which is called our CP-PRO series. So I'm going to take you a little bit more in. So this is our 700 millimeter wide, 100 millimeter high, circular high-speed plate saw. So we prepare the block over there. The blade comes across like this. And it also has an indexing vise with a stroke of 500 millimeters. The bed inside with these balls are basically, you can also choose rollers, but in this case we set up a bed with supporting ball bearings that actually make it easy to slide the block over the bed left and right. So it's the same principle as an automatic saw, so it has a shuttle vise that clamps in the back and it has a front vise that clamps in the front. This is full material. This is full material. So it is needed to take the force of the blade. Otherwise it's not stable enough and the block is moving because the force and the speed is so high. So very important is to know, for this model we have one top clamp. We don't need it because we cut off short pieces just to demo. The wider the saw, the more of these top clamps you have. Principle is pretty simple. Circular high-speed saw, driven with a belt on the back. The feed is done on the top. It pulls basically the saw to itself with a ball screw. So you see the stable on the outlet. You see 3 rulers here where you can read basically where you put manually the saw. This is for short pieces. So if you have short pieces, you load it up to the front, you load it up here, you read it approximately where the material is. You move this ruler, this stop, like this. You can read that one on the HMI over there, the distance, and you can push it to the front or to the back. There you can read the length, see? There you can read the length. And basically, when you move the material against this stop, you clamp it and you move this one away and you start to cut. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you an automatic cut. So I'm going to press this button and basically I'm going to start the sequence. So immediately you will see how quick the machine is.